Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. Today I'm playing with two stamp sets from the annual catalogue. So I have the Biggest Wish photopolymer stamp set, which is great. It's got all these fun fonts on all the words. And then for the imagery, I have used the Count on Me Cling stamp set, which I just think is the cutest stamp set. And the great thing about the two of these is this has little sentiments and big bold imagery, whereas this one has fantastic big chunky sentiments, so they work really well together. This is the card that I'm going to be making with little Kanga on it, and Kanga's holding a little flower. Isn't that cute? And I've used the Hello from the Biggest Wish stamp set. So let me show you how to put this together. To start off with, you're going to need some scrap basic white cardstock, because we're going to be doing some fussy cutting of the items that are going on here, and you're also going to want some Memento basic black ink. Okay, Count on Me set, you want to pull out Kanga and pop her onto a block. She fits perfectly onto one of our D blocks. Okay, just double checking actually that my scrap, yeah, she'll just fit on that. I was looking at her long tail and I thought she's not going to fit. So there we go. There she is. And also you want the Hello, and I've used this fun whimsical Hello. And I'm just going to fit that onto one of our B blocks. And I'm going to stamp that down as well. Okay. The colouring in of Kanga here is really simple. You just want your pale papaya blends, dark and light. So with the dark, you want to go over the back of Kanga. It's easier using the bullet tip because that way you can get a really fine line in there that's not messy. Round the side of her face and up her ears like that. Okay, you can also get part of her arm, and you can come around here on her leg, and then also just this sort of grungy detail that's on her background. And then for the rest of her, other than her tummy, you want to use the rest of the pale papaya, blend it into the dark. Okay, when you get to the thin bits, like her arms and her legs, you can flip it over and come in with the bullet tip to make sure that she's kept nice and in the lines. Okay, you then want the lightest petal pink, so you want light petal pink, and that is just for her tummy, like that. Okay, for the flower you want dark Daffodil Delight for the centre, and Pool Party for the petals. Okay, that's her all coloured in. Then you just want to take a couple of moments to fussy cut her out. I've already done this off camera because I like fussy cutting while I'm sitting watching films of an evening, and I've had a few evenings in, so I've just bombed ahead with all of my fussy cutting. Okay, for the actual card, I'm going to be using a piece of basic white cardstock. This is 14.85 centimeters by 10.5 centimeters, so it's the exact size as my card base. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop ½ inch off each side. So really that is just going to be an inch for me. So I'm just going to take that, line it up, and yeah, it's lined up there, and take the inch off. Okay, This is our pattern DSP. It's our in colour one, so you get a whole load of them, 6 by 6, and they come in all the different DSP colours and shades. I've picked the pale papaya one up because I've coloured her in pale papaya. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut 2 strips that are 3/4 of an inch wide. One. Two. Okay, so now you want your base cardstock. So this is the thick basic white. I've already, as you can see, scored it in half. So I'm just going to fold it and burnish it. And I'm going to run 2 strips of adhesive down here. So I'm going to put the first one against this line here. Make sure it's run all the way to the top and the bottom. And I'm going to stick my strip on there like that and run it down. Okay, and then I'm going to stick another strip all the way down on that side there, and that's where that one's going to go. See, you could cover the whole back of the card if you wanted to, but I just think it's a complete waste because this bit here you're not going to see, so you might as well just do it in strips, and you've saved yourself that great big chunk of DSP for another project. Okay. Similarly, you could keep your card like that and put Kanga onto your card, but I actually like having a panel on. I think it covers up both of these inside strips of DSP and it just creates an additional extra layer. So I'm just going to use my dimensionals. If I can find where I've put them, I've just had them out for another project, so I shouldn't have gone too far. There they are. And I'm going to cover the panel with dimensionals at the back. You could put a foam piece on the back, that would work. I'm just using some dimensionals, and I'm putting a few because I've done it as a panel and I just really want it to stay up. I also already know who this card is going to, and it's going through the post, so I really do not want it to flatten as it goes. Layer the panel. There we go. So to finish the card off, you want to pop Kanga on the card using the dimensionals. So I'm just going to pop a couple on the back of her. And also I'm going to pop one on the LL there. So pop Kanga on the card. You can see I've popped it on the LLO, so that's already popped up and ready to go. So you can put the H over the foot and pop the rest of it up. And then literally just to finish this card, this is such a simple card. I've got the in colour rhinestones. I think they're lovely and they're all faceted and beautiful. So I'm just going to grab some of those that are in the soft succulent colour. I'm grabbing the medium size ones. So these on this side are small, these on this side are medium. And I'm just going to pop those under the hello for a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of texture. There we go. Extra detail. Such a clean and simple and easy card. I love it. Thank you for joining me today. This was using the Biggest Wish and the Count on Me stamp set. Both of these and everything else I have used today are available from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. If you have enjoyed this video, do like, subscribe and come back for more content. Thanks everybody. See you soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.